Welcome to LyFiveElements, where we're dedicated to sharing the wisdom of traditional Chinese metaphysics with the world. Our mission is to teach complex subjects like the 4 pillars of destiny, Qi, Feng Shui, and more in simple, easy to understand English. Subscribe and share our content to help spread this ancient knowledge. Your support is what drives us forward. We also offer personalized one-on-one consultations to guide you on your metaphysical journey. Feel free to leave a comment or contact us directly for more information. Thank you for being part of our community. Hello everyone, I'm Marvin. In the last lesson, we discussed more divine stars and their uses where some are quite inauspicious. Today, we will be sharing about the 10 heavenly stems and in the next lesson, the 12 earthly branches. The heavenly stems and earthly branches are the ancient Chinese method of timekeeping, also known as the heavenly stems and earthly branches method. Let's take a random set of the 8 characters as an example. We need to input the birth year, month, day, and hour into the software, and then it will generate the chart. This chart is divided into 4 pillars as mentioned in our previous lesson. The year pillar, the month pillar, the day pillar, and the hour pillar. In total, there are 4 pillars. Each pillar has a heavenly stem, and the characters at the top are called the heavenly stems. Each pillar also has an earthly branch. In total, there are 8 characters, which is why it is called the 4 pillars and 8 characters. Our current method of timekeeping is called the Gregorian calendar, or the solar calendar, which was introduced from abroad during the late Republic of China period. However, before the early Qing dynasty, the ancient method of timekeeping was done using the heavenly stems and earthly branches. There are 10 heavenly stems in total. Jia, Yi, Bing, Ding, Wu, Ji, Geng, Xin, Ren, Gui, representing the numbers 1 through 10 respectively. Each heavenly stem and earthly branch also carries its own meanings and significance. For example, take Jia, which represents Jia wood. I use green to represent it because its element is wood. Its direction is east. Its color is green. It represents the liver in the human body, and its image is that of a big tree. Since it belongs to the yang category, anything associated with yang represents things that are large, positive, sunny, and facing the sun. Because it is yang and also wood, it symbolizes tall trees that are taller than a person's height. This is some of the meaning behind Jia wood. In all studies of I Ching and metaphysics, the heavenly stems and earthly branches are the first things to learn. However, many people struggle here because there is so much to memorize. That's why I'm introducing the heavenly stems and earthly branches at this stage. You don't need to memorize them because you should understand them. If you want to pursue a professional career in fate analysis, then you will need to memorize them. But if you are just an amateur enthusiast who enjoys learning about the I Ching and the 8 trigrams, you don't need to memorize this. You just need to understand them. Remember, Jia wood is represented by green. Its direction is east and it belongs to the yang category. The ancient Chinese believed that everything in the world is divided into yin and yang and the 5 elements, so each character has its own attributes. Let's look at Yi, the second of the heavenly stems. Like Jia, it also represents the east and is associated with the color green. However, Yi is yin wood. It corresponds to the gallbladder in the human body. Being yin wood, it symbolizes small things. All things associated with yin are small, dark, negative, or hidden. So what are small woods? They are grasses and flowers. Thus, the image that Yi represents is flowers and grasses. For Ping, I use red to represent it because its element is fire. Its direction is south. It is a yang fire, which means it represents the color red and corresponds to the small intestine in the human body. Being yang fire, it symbolizes larger fires such as the sun in the sky and round objects. So pink, it represents these things. Ting is also associated with fire and represents the south. However, it is yin fire with the color red and corresponds to the heart and blood in the human body. As yin fire, it symbolizes small, dark, and hidden flames. Examples of small fires include candles, light bulbs, cigarette butts, and campfires. These are all considered Ting fire. Wu represents the center or middle, and it is yang earth. Its color is yellow, and it corresponds to the stomach in the human body. Yang signifies large earth, such as the soil used for building walls. Qi represents the center or middle, and it is yin earth. Its color is yellow, and it corresponds to the spleen in the human body. As yin earth, it signifies smaller earth, such as the soil in the fields or farmland. Yang represents the west, and is associated with yang metal. Its color is white and golden. In software, it is often represented by yellow, but in reality, it is actually white. All white items belong to metal. It corresponds to the large intestine and armpits in the human body. Large metallic objects such as swords and big knives are considered Geng metal. Its range also includes large metal items such as cars, which also fall under Geng metal. Sin also represents the west, but is yin metal. Its color is also white and golden. It corresponds to the lungs in the human body. As yin metal, it symbolizes small metal items including jewelries and scissors. Any small metallic objects with these attributes are classified as sin metal. Ren represents water, so it is depicted with blue. Its direction is north, and it is yang water. The colors associated with it are black and blue. In reality, any black or blue items are considered water. It corresponds to the bladder in the human body. The imagery for Ren water includes large bodies of water, such as big rivers, seas, and lakes. These larger bodies of water are all associated with Ren water. Gui also represents the north, but is yin water. Its colors are black and blue. It corresponds to the kidneys in the human body. The imagery for Gui water includes small bodies of water such as streams. Small streams, well water, small rivers, morning dew, rainwater, and even wastewater. These smaller water sources are all associated with Gui water. Today, we learned about the 10 heavenly stems and the things they represent. In the next lesson, we will introduce the 12 earthly branches. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe and share to join us on this incredible journey of discovery. Your support fuels our passion to keep creating. Any questions or need personalized guidance? Leave us a comment or get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for being part of the LyFiveElements family. If anything is unclear, feel free to drop a comment below. I would love to discuss and explore these topics with you. And for those of you who want to understand your Bazi chart but find the learning process too complicated, you can always message me for a one-on-one consultation. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your support truly motivates me to keep sharing this knowledge. See you in the next lesson.